Hi guys, back with Bassington. I hope you're all well, I hope you're all keeping safe. Today I'm going to do a watch unboxing and it is by Tag Heuer. Now Tag Heuer is a brand that I know that gets unfairly knocked by a lot of people within the watch community. Yes, they're not high-end horology, but I think they give a pretty good watch at a very fair price point. I keep saying this channel is all about value, and I think Tag do provide good value. In addition, it's actually going to be a ladies' watch for the simple reason I don't think enough watches are being reviewed for the ladies on YouTube. So without further ado, I will do the unboxing of the watch. And it is the ladies' Tag Heuer Aquaracer. And I think they've got a stunning timepiece. I really do. It's 36 millimeters in dimension. It is 11.9 millimeters in height, has a lug to lug of 43 millimeters, has a lug width of 17 millimeters, fantastic solid steel bracelet, 3-piece with a polished center link, polished sides. It tapers down to about 15 millimeters, and then the clasp comes back up to 17 millimeters. Fantastic swing arm, double deployment clasp. Doesn't have a diver's extension, but does have an on-the-fly adjustment. It also has a solid case back that is beautifully embossed and a screw-down crown. It has 300 meters water resistance. It has a fantastic ceramic bezel, unidirectional, 60 clicks, very, very solid, no play whatsoever on that bezel. It has the in-house Caliber 5 Tag Heuer, which started life out as a ETA 2824. It only has a 38-hour power reserve. You could argue that's the one gripe against this watch. However, it is an automatic movement. It's not a quartz movement. But the pierce to resistance is the beautiful dial, that beautiful pink wave dial. I mean, I just think it looks absolutely stunning. And it has 8 diamond indices within the dial. Obviously sapphire crystal, and also has a date as well, which is really beautifully positioned at the 6 o'clock. I think it's a very well designed watch. I think it is beautifully proportioned. And I have to say, I think that dial is absolutely stunning. Now, here's the pierce to resistance. This watch is priced at £2,950. And that is a lot of watch for the money. You know, this is 300 meters water resistance, screw down crown, ceramic bezel, steel bracelet, on the fly adjustment on the clasp, 8 diamonds on the dial. It comes with its own diamond certification and the VSO. And I would say go out and buy this watch. There is a little bit of a problem though. This watch is sold out on Tag Heuer's own website. That's right, you can't get it. The lady really struggled to find an authorized dealer who had this watch in stock. In fact, one dealer put it in the window and it sold out within 48 hours. And you will say, well, so what to that? Well, that's pretty impressive because I haven't seen Tag Heuer do any promotion on this watch. And I don't know of another watch that has sold that well. There's not even a vlog on YouTube on this watch. By the time this vlog goes out, hopefully there will be at least one vlog on this watch. It does fortunately come in other colors. It comes in a blue, comes in a black, comes in a silver, comes in an aquamarine on a green rubber strap. But I've got to say, well done to Tag. I think this is a simply stunning timepiece. And I would suggest you go out and buy it. It would make a great, great gift as well. And I can highly recommend this watch. In the meantime, stay safe and stay tuned.